So hello guys, I'm Shorodip Biswas. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a Crompton Greaves exhaust fan. So I have purchased this from OLX as a used fan, but actually this fan is totally unused. So I don't have the bill or the warranty card since this is a 2014 piece in mint condition. As you are seeing the G logo box, Crompton Trans Air, and here are some features: double ball bearing, hub base design, high performance, epoxy powder coated finish, bird skin, available in 150, 225, 300 mm, that is 6, 9 and 12 inch sweep. And as you can see in this side, let me just show you. This fan is actually manufactured in Baddi, that is a place beside Solan, or you may say Solan, Himachal Pradesh. So the MRP was 1790 and it was a March 2014 piece. So, and this is the serial number. So let's see what's inside. And as you can see, there is no seal because this is a old piece I have got. You may say old stock piece or whatever might be, but no warranty card, no bill, nothing. So let's see what's inside. So as you are seeing, the box is very bad condition, it's obvious. So this is the fan. So let me just bring the fan out. So guys, as you are watching, this is a G logo Crompton exhaust fan. So as you can see, it's in mint condition. There is very few rusting, means here is some dirt, I think so this is dirt. As you are watching, it's removing. So here is some rust, I know that because this is an old piece, no worries. So some scratches here, since this is a used piece, not a new piece, so nothing to complain much. As you are watching, so this exhaust fan is totally in mint condition. So as you are watching, these are the blades. So let me just lift it up. So these are the blades, this is the shaft, this is the serial number, this is the specs of the fan as you are watching, and this is the hub, and there is one arrow on the hub if you can see that. So this denotes the direction. So let's start the fan and let's show you what's the performance. So guys, as you are watching, this is the 2-pin plug. I have fixed this 2-pin plug after the time of purchase, and during the unboxing you spotted a small wire which was used to tie the power cord with this frame. This also I have tied it just for the wire don't get caught by the blades. So let's just see what's the performance of the fan by turning it on. So as you are watching, the fan is wobbling because due to the G logo that is embossed in the back side. So let's start the fan, and this is really a heavy quality fan. If you own this fan, you own a semi heavy duty fan. So let's power it up. So as you are watching, the wire is getting near to the blades. That's why I have used a cord. So this is the fan. So as you note, if you run the fan like this, the fan will slow down. So you need a clear space to run the fan in full speed. So let's stop it. So as you are watching, the fan is really silent. It's a worth for 12 inches fan. This fan also don't make some huge noises like the other brand fans do. So this is the Crompton Greaves Trans Air of 2014. So if you own this kind of fan, don't discard this. Repair if that is in not working condition, then repair it and use it, because you will not get this kind of quality from any brand, because as you know, due to the competitive market, every fans quality is deteriorating. Especially Crompton tries to maintain their quality among the best of the others. So whatever might be, but time matters, obviously, So if you old is gold, that's a good sentence, and that's a fact. So if you own this is a 6 years old exhaust fan. So just try to keep it and try to use it, because this kind of exhaust you will not get. It's a very good model, I know that, but why to purchase second time the same exhaust when you already have the same exhaust? If your fan is in bad condition, just restore it, just repaint it, and you will get a brand new exhaust without purchasing an exhaust. This is the fact. So, and one thing to say, there are many other brand exhaust fans in the market, the double ball bearing, but I saw in practically none of the exhaust last so long as that of the Crompton Greaves Trans Air. So this is the main fact. So whatever might be, so this is my short video regarding the Crompton Greaves G logo Trans Air. So if you like this fan, then please press the like button, and if you want to buy this fan, you will not get this fan open market. You have to search for the shops for old stock, or in OLX, whatever. OLX, the second hand purchase, second hand or used product purchasing app, whatever might be. So if you have any comments, please comment it down, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos of this kind and more electrical videos like this. So thanks for watching.